Hello, today I wanted to make this quick video for anybody who, like me, has a Shoei shaped head and wants to use a helmet comm system. Now for those who have a GTR 2 like this or the Neotec modular helmet and possibly a few more Shoei models, you have an integrated solution in the helmet that supports the Sena SRL2 system. But what happens if you don't want to use a Sena, but instead you want to use one of these? A Cardo Packtalk Edge. Well, I've come across a brilliant and reasonably cheap way of mounting the Packtalk Edge to a Shoei helmet using the SRL2 fitting, and I'm going to show you right now. So let's talk about the challenges of actually mounting a comm system onto one of these helmets. Obviously there's a couple of choices, the front being an obvious one. With the Cardo Packtalk Edge you get the adhesive pads and you also get the clips that attach it physically to the helmet. Not sure the clips would actually get into here. The adhesive might work. I've never seen anybody actually attach them to the front. Obviously if you've got a Neotec or a flip up front helmet then it's clearly not going to work anyway because this whole piece comes up, but I'd probably also be a bit concerned about the wires under here, maybe protruding into the chin area and also the reach back to the headphones themselves, so not sure how that would work, but anyway. I have seen a couple of people attach these towards the rear of the helmet, but I wasn't a huge fan of that, mainly because to actually use the unit with the buttons, you would have to be reaching behind your head. So again, that wasn't ideal. So what prompted me to look into this was the fact that, ideally that's where you want it, right in the middle. And it's just a shame that Shoei don't produce an accessory that is compatible with this, but I suppose they've got their relationship with Sena, so they probably wouldn't clearly. But Cardo, if you are watching this, can we have a fitting for this please that fits this? Saves a lot of hassle, but that's ideally where you want it. So here's the cover off the left side of the helmet. The real challenge with this was trying to find a replacement for this part that had the bits on it to attach the Cardo mount to. As I said, there's no accessories out there that I could find that did that, but what I did come across was a website called printables.com, and I found a 3D printable design. And here it is. I didn't get this made up myself. I don't actually have a 3D printer, but I'll talk about how I got this made up a bit later. But as you can see, it is exactly the same, but it's got these wonderful little clips on here specifically for attaching your Cardo Packtalk Edge. Really neat design. So this is the printables.com webpage I was talking about. Big thank you to BOA36226 for uploading this design. I've just noticed actually they've also uploaded the same thing for the Packtalk Bold. So whether you've got the Edge or the Bold, you've got both designs here, but obviously I'm focusing on this one here. So if you click on the Packtalk Edge link, obviously the page has got some photographs of how it will look. There's also a 3D design render which you can open and have a detailed look at if you wish. If you're going to get this made up or printed by a third-party company, the file you need, if you click on the download link, at the bottom here you've got this STL file. Now the STL file contains the 3D design, including all the sizing and everything else. You haven't got to worry about any of that. You literally just take this file, find the company you're looking to make it up, and then upload it and follow their on-site process. Very easy, very simple. This is free of charge, and again, big thank you to BOA36226 for uploading and sharing this. Okay, so this is the company I used to get the mount printed up. A company called 3D People. Again, put the link down in the description. Once you've uploaded the STL file, you'll see a render of it here, and you have a number of different options in terms of the finish and such. I personally went for the black dye and vibro polishing, which as you've seen from the other footage, it's really good quality. It's really solid. Perfect for what I needed. With 3D People, there was a minimum order surcharge, so even though you can order one, it bumps the price up to 36 quid. So what I did is I opted to get two made up to sort of counter that. So I've got a spare or one to sell or one for a second helmet if I need to. But as you can see, I was really pleased with the quality of what they printed up. Took a week or two to come through, but really pleased with the results. Okay, so here is the end result. Fits absolutely beautifully. Really in keeping. The finish is really nice as well, thanks to 3D People on that. And I say, once you've got it there, you just literally slot it on, and away you go. There's the end result. It's on there absolutely solidly. That isn't coming off. Quality of the plastics is really good as well. There's no flex or bend on that. So just pushing and popping that up, and away you go. thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments. I'll try and respond to all of them as I can. But no, thank you very much.